Hi, my name's Rachel, and I'm here to share angel kisses. I made it down here by the beautiful flowing river. You can hear all the sounds of nature, even with your headphones in. I just want to take a moment so you could all tap into your heart and say your own prayer. Spirit already knows, so we're just going to take that moment and say the prayer in our heart. And I just pray that love guide us, light the way, burn it up. I have 2 decks of cards. I have a Magical Mermaids and Dolphins, and I have a Indigo Oracle. Let's see. First card we have is, oh, my darling. Sometimes I'll have words and I'll just start busting out a song. It's something funny I do. But this is an amazing card. Soulmate relationship. The Infinity DNA. Highly activating. Some like to call it the Kundalini. New romance with a spiritual basis is here for you now. See, it's 2 dolphins totally merged. I love it. Oh. And the next card we have is, what perfect cards to get together. Dreams. Amen. I've really myself been, everything that's been, I talked about the skunk thing a couple days ago. Well, the next day, it's been huge for me for communication. Like, I'm wearing my blue again today, which is the throat chakra and really our communication center. And after the skunk incident, the angel showing up for me, representing they were here, I communicated myself so peacefully and so just really awesome. And it just was like, wow, this huge shift. So, we're all shifting. And then I'm not joking, the skunk smell went away instantly in my in my armpit and in the whole house. It was just unbelievable. And then as soon as you don't start listening to yourself and communicating yourself peacefully, those angels will come back. And so it's really awesome. That's how it's working for me. And oh yeah, the communication. So even I'm drinking blue solar power water, which really just balances our being able to communicate. And also green. I've really been drawn to green. So, you gotta fill it out for yourself. Let's read. Soulmate relationship is on page 34. New romance with a spiritual basis is here for you now. Your desire to be in a great love relationship has manifested, and you're being guided to create or maintain that situation right now. This relationship has a deep spiritual basis, with both partners having true faith and profound beliefs. You and your partner share similar spiritual concepts and are open-minded when it comes to learning about and implementing new practices. This partnership flows to you naturally, right now. However, if you worry about or try to force the situation to happen, you could slow the results. It's important for you to enjoy the process leading up to your desired outcome. Dance with the movement that your manifestation has created for you. Attract your partner through your warm and relaxed demeanor, and know that heaven is taking care of all the details for both of you. Dance in the movement. Some amazing birds confirming that. We're just dancing. We're just dancing. So 34 in dreams. My dreams, I've had so many people contact me lately, and it's all just coming together with people and the light of love and sharing, and like, man, everyone's stepping out. You got big things in your heart that you know that you came here for, and it's like the switch is turned on. Dreams is on 21, so 7 and 3 is 10. 1. This card guides you to pay attention to the dreams you have, both when you sleep and during your waking hours. They are your connection to your true, fearless, indigo soul and your highest potential. This card is a message to let yourself fearlessly dream, even if the contents of your dreams seem unrealistic to your logical mind. The angels are asking you to strengthen this connection to your higher self, so that you can bring into your life the miracles you've always desired. It is done. It's me lining up with me, you lining up with you, and just holding each other in that love and light and encouraging. Much love to you all. Thank you for joining me here on this magical day on Earth. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you when I see you.